Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas49.
49. All right. Find an even number that is between 550 and 600 with the property that the tens digit
equals to the fourth
4 times the units digit. Okay, so first of all, do you know what an even number is?
Yeah, it's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Okay, very good. So an even number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay? So just like you said, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or even 0 is an even number. What else would be an even number?
12, 14,
12, yeah.
14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay, very good. Is 921 an even number?
No,
Why not?
because it ends in 21.
Yeah, it ends in 1 is the big thing. It ends in 1, so it's not even. Is 1,000,004 an even number?
Yes, it ends in 4.
All right, good job. Good job. Even numbers. Yes, even numbers. We know about even numbers. Okay, now, do you know what the tens digit of a number is?
No.
No? Okay. So when we have numbers like 4,357, this digit is called the units digit. So the units digit is the last digit.
Mm-hmm.
This digit, the 5, is called the tens digit, because that 5 really means 50, right?
Yeah.
What do you think this digit is called? What does this 3 really mean?
300.
300. So that's the
Hundreds.
hundreds digit. And what do you think this digit is called? Any guesses?
40.
Well, what does this 4 mean?
400.
It means 4,000.
Oh yeah, so it's the thousands.
Right, so this is the units digit, the tens digit, the hundreds digit, the thousands digit. What digit do you think would come next? Okay, if I put a 1 in front of here, what would this 1 be? What digit is that? Do you know what this 1 stands for? This is units, tens, hundreds, thousands.
Millions.
Not quite millions, but 10,000. That 1 means 10,000. So we're going to learn about this. But for now, all we have to think about is this second digit, the second to last digit, is called the tens digit, and the last digit is called the units digit. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't really make sense. It's just what they're called, I guess. It's like saying that elephant is called Horton. Yeah? Okay, you ready? Ready to go back to the problem?
Yeah.
Okay, the tens digit is equal to 4 times the units digit. So we have a number that's going to be 500 and something and something. And we know it's going to be even, so it's going to end in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 0. And the tens digit is 4 times the units digit. Okay? You ready?
Yep.
Alright, so the tens digit is 4 times the units digit. How are we going to figure that out? Well, what can the units digit be?
It can be 7.
Well, what do we know about this number?
So last is even.
It's even. So we're finding an even number. So what do we know about this number? What can the units digit be?
2, 4, 6, 8 or 0.
2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Okay, so if the units digit was 2, the tens digit is 4 times that. So if the units digit was 2, what would the tens digit be? 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, great. Could 8 be the units digit? Or the tens digit, I mean? Can 8 be a digit? Yeah, so this case we might have 582, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What if it was 4? What's 4 times 4? Do you know? Do you know what 4 times 4 is?
16.
16. Now can 16 be a digit?
Okay.
Can we have 5, 16, 4? Is that a number?
Actually, no.
No, that's not a number. Okay, so this doesn't work. Because we can't have 516, 4. Right? Okay. So what about 6? What's 4 times 6?
4, 6, 6.
4 times 6. So we have to do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6.
Let's see. 6, 12, 18, 30. No, not quite.
Not quite 30. 6, 12, 18. 18 plus 6.
24.
24. Very good. Okay, so can we get 524 6? Is that a number?
No.
No, that's not a number. What about 8 times 4? So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8.
8 plus 8.
8 plus 8 is?
16.
Okay, do you know what 16 plus 8 is?
We just do 16 plus 16.
Oh, you could use 16 plus 16, that's true. Is that 16 too? So 16 plus 16 is what?
Well, 10 plus 10 is 20, 6 plus 6 is 12. So I guess that would be 32.
32, very good. Okay, so can we have a number that's 532, 8? 532, 8?
No.
No, that's not a number. What about 0? What's 4 times 0?
4, 6, 0, which is 0.
Okay, so now, this is interesting. We could have a number that goes 500, right? What do we call that number?
500.
Okay, now does that work, or is there something else in the problem that tells us that 500 doesn't work? Read the problem.
Find an even number that is between 500 and 600. No, 550 and 600.
So does 500 work?
No.
Because it's not between 550 and 600. Okay.
So I guess 2 has to work.
Okay, so what was that number?
2.
So the tens digit is 4 times the ones digit. So the ones digit is 2. And what was the tens digit? The tens digit was 4 times the units digit. So 4 times 2 is 8. So we get the number
582.
582. That has to work. Okay. Alright, does that make sense? A little bit? Alright, which one is the tens digit in this number? No, that's the units digit. The 8 is the tens digit, because 8 means 80. What number is the hundreds digit? Good job. So it's 582. Alright, good job. I know that was a tough one. You did a great job.